Hello, so today we're going to be talking about orders of magnitude. So orders of magnitude are basically under the topic of eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells, and it's what we would use to make approximate comparisons between numbers or objects. And orders of magnitude are generally described using powers of 10. So to familiarize yourself with powers of 10, let's say for example we have the number 100. 100 is equal to 10 times 10, which means we have two sets of the number 10. Therefore, this is written as 10 to the power of 2. So, for example, if we have one cell or organelle, which is what we would normally use to describe orders of magnitude, and if one cell or organelle is 10 times bigger than another, it is considered to be an order of magnitude bigger, or 10 to the power of 1. If a cell or organelle is approximately 100 times bigger, then it is 2 orders of magnitude bigger. Or this can also be described as 10 to the power of 2. So here we've got a general rule of thumb as to how we can use two numbers to compare orders of magnitude. If the bigger number divided by the smaller number, let's say the bigger organelle compared to the smaller organelle, this number is divided and it is less than 10, then we would say they are the same order of magnitude. If the bigger number divided by the smaller number is around 10, then we would say it is 10 to the power of 1, or it can also be written as 1 order of magnitude bigger. If the bigger number divided by the smaller number is around 100, then we would say it is 2 orders of magnitude bigger, or 10 to the power of 2. And in general, the maximum number of orders of magnitude you would see in GCSE is 2. So don't worry, it doesn't get any more complicated than this. Here, let's work through an example together. A small animal cell has a length of around 10 micrometers. And remember the units here, that looks like this describes micrometers. And in general, animal cells are smaller than plant cells. So let's say we have a small animal cell and we have a large plant cell. And the large plant cell has a length of around 100 micrometers. The question is, what is the order of magnitude of a large plant cell compared to the small animal cell? So how we calculate this is we take the bigger number, which is 100 here, and we divide it by the smaller number. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. And going back to the notes we've got earlier, if it's around 10, then we would say they're the same order of magnitude. If the difference is around 10, then we would say it is 1 order of magnitude bigger. So in this case, the order of magnitude is 1. So a large plant cell is 1 order of magnitude, or 10 to the power of 1, bigger than a small animal cell. So to recap our understanding of indices, let's practice how we would convert the left value to the right value. Let's say we've got 10 to the power of 2. How are we going to convert this to 10 to the power of 5? We would do 10 to the power of 2 times by 10 to the power of 3, because 2 plus 3 equals 5. Conversely, if we have 10 to the power of 6 and we want to make it into a smaller number, let's say for example 10 to the power of 6 to 10 to the power of 3. How do we do this? We would do 10 to the power of 6 divided by 10 to the power of 3, because 6 minus 3 equals 3. And that's it for orders of magnitude.